Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. In the present case, the plaintiff staked his 1/5 claim to the suit property, being the grandson of Bakhtawar Stop. The defendant numbers 1 to 5 denied this claim by contending that Bakhtawar had during his lifetime transferred the property to Prithvi in a family settlement. Stop. Ownership of Prithvi by way of adverse possession was also set up. Stop. The lower appellate court has held against the plaintiff appellant on inter alia the ground that the mother of the plaintiff appellant Srimati Parvati never objected to the mutation entries in favor of her brother, Prithvi, during her lifetime, and that the suit was beyond limitation. Stop para. Mittal, judge in Naginder Singh's case 1983 LJ 432 that it is well settled that a suit for possession on the ground of inheritance should be filed within a period of 12 years from the date when the inheritance opens, does not lay down any such rule. Stop. On the other hand, in all those decisions, it was the plea of Jitendra Kumar adverse possession of the defendants which was upheld. Stop para. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties, I find force in the contention of the learned counsel for the respondent. Stop. It is well established principle of law that inheritance does not remain in abeyance, and heirs after the death of the last male holder succeed to the property of the deceased in accordance with law. Stop. Kasmira Singh, being the son of Niranjan Singh, deceased, was entitled to 1/3 share in the land in dispute. Stop. After the death of Niranjan Singh, he was not required to file any suit for possession on the basis of inheritance. Stop. He had become full owner of his share in the property on the death of the last male holder. Stop. For establishing his right as an heir, he was not required to file a suit. Stop. However, a situation may arise when the heir is not in possession of the property inherited. Stop. In that event, a suit for possession may have to be filed, and on contest the same may fail on the defendant proving that he has Jitendra Kumar perfected his title by adverse possession. Stop. It is such 29/2022, 1642. I attest to the accuracy and integrity of this order/judgment, Chandigarh type of suit, which is governed by the provisions of Article 65 of the Limitation Act. Stop. In this view of the matter, with respect, I find that the view taken by R.N. Mittal, judge in Naginder Singh's case, that it is well settled that a suit for possession on the ground of inheritance should be filed within a period of 12 years from the date when the inheritance opens, does not lay down correct law. Stop. The decisions to which reference has been made in para 9 of the judgment by the learned judge, do not lay down any such rule. Stop. On the other hand, in all those decisions, it was the plea of adverse possession of the defendants which was upheld. Stop. Thus, I hold that no period of limitation is prescribed for filing a suit for possession on the basis of inheritance. Stop. Thank you.
क्या चाहिए बदले में हमें? बस एक प्यारा सा लाइक, तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब यार, सभी की मांगे मैं पूरी करता हूँ। मेरी एक ही तो मांग रहती है कि सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, और जिन्होंने नहीं किया है कर दो यार, आज जोड़ के विनती है।